In this video, I am going to show you how to add clickable link on Facebook post. So first of all, let's copy a link for my Facebook post. So for example, I will simply open my YouTube application and copy the link of one of my videos. But keep this in mind that you can have any sort of link that you wish to use on your Facebook post. I'm only using my YouTube video link as an example. So once your link is copied into your dashboard, you have to open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, if you want to add a clickable link on your Facebook post, you have to first of all create a Facebook post. So to do that, you have to tap on the plus icon which is present at the top right side of your screen. Now tap on post. From here, first of all, select the photo or video that you wish to use as your Facebook post. So you have to tap on photo and video, then select the photo. Once your photo is selected, you have to tap on next. Now, if you want to add a link on your Facebook post, you have to tap on say something about this photo. Now from here, you have to hold on to your cursor, then release and this menu will appear in front of you. So from here, you have to tap on paste. Once you tap on paste, the link that you copied into your clipboard will be pasted. So you are actually done and this link is now clickable. So what you have to do is that simply tap on post which is present at the top right corner of your screen and you will be able to easily post this photo as a Facebook post. So everyone, now as you can see, the link that I added is a clickable link. So if I tap on it, I will be redirected to my YouTube video. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.